Okay, today I'm here at Knott's Farm for their Ghost Town Live and Summer Nights. And I went to the Churro Factory and got the sea salt, where is it? Sea salt and caramel stuffed churro. So this one is actually only $8.25, so I actually just bought it because it's under the price point of the average price of the items. Especially since I do get a discount too. So, whoa, here's the caramel. I guess there's some of the salt. Okay, let me try it out here. Not quite as stale as I thought it would be because she just took it out of the... This is actually a little bit of passable. Let me see. Yeah, that's actually salt. There's also sugar, cinnamon sugar on top. Not just the salt. It's actually one of the better churros I have. But the filled ones do usually taste better, even if they are stale, because they do have the filling in it. That kind of helps take away some of the staleness. It is better if you get them really hot. Although this is actually pretty warm, so maybe they just recently made them. So actually, this one I think is worth it's the $8.25 minus the 10% discount I get. So if you can use your card if you want, but then you're kind of paying more for it. Although I guess if you bought like 5 alcoholic drinks and then this, you've gotten your money's worth. But yeah, this one's pretty good. So I'm gonna give this one. I'm gonna give it an A actually, because it's not as stale as usual. I'm proud of them. This one is way better than that Oreo one. So yeah, if you want one of these, try it out. Gourmet Churro Factory is right next to the ice cream place and the candy factory where they do the fudge. They make the fudge in there. So yeah, try it out if you like. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.